Is Qualia Stem Cell really the breakthrough supplement people claim it is, or just another expensive health trend? In this quick review, we're breaking down what this supplement actually does, what ingredients it uses, and what real users are saying online. Qualia Stem Cell is designed to support your body's natural repair process by creating a better environment for your own stem cells to function. It doesn't actually contain stem cells. Instead, it uses a blend of ingredients like spirulina, royal jelly, sea buckthorn, and herbal extracts that aim to support cellular health, energy, and recovery. The formula contains around 15 ingredients that are meant to help the body's renewal and repair systems, which some users say leads to better energy and overall well-being. However, results can vary widely. Some reviewers say they noticed improved vitality or focus, while others report no noticeable changes after finishing the product. On review platforms like Trustpilot, customer experiences are mixed, with some praising the product but others complaining about the high price, subscription issues, or lack of results. So is Qualia Stem Cell worth it? It might offer benefits if you're looking for a premium supplement focused on cellular health, but the price is high and scientific proof is still limited. Like most supplements, it's not a miracle fix, and results depend heavily on the individual. If you're thinking about trying it, always research the ingredients and talk to a healthcare professional first. And if you want more honest supplement reviews like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the next video where we break down another trending health product.